Welcoming a new child is one of life's biggest milestones. Yet, for many individuals in the UK whom are the father of the child, the amount of time they can take away from the work to support their partner and bond with their baby remains arguably limited. Hello, my name is Hinna Raja, a paralegal in the employment team here at Anthony Gold. In recent years, paternity leave has become a significant topic in discussions about improving family-friendly employment rights. Although positive changes are on the horizon, many believe that the UK could still do more to support working fathers. We aim to contribute to the wider debate about fair parental support in the workplace. Current paternity leave in the UK. What do fathers get? In the UK, statutory paternity leave entitlements are arguably limited compared to other developed countries. Here's a quick comparison. In the UK, fathers have 1 or 2 weeks paid at £187.18 per week or 90% of average earnings, whichever is lower. In Sweden, they have up to 480 days shared between parents, with 80% of salary for the first 390 days. In Spain, 16 weeks at 100% of salary, and in Ireland, 2 weeks at about €289 per week. In the UK, fathers can take 1 or 2 consecutive weeks of leave. Leave must usually be taken within 56 days of the birth or adoption placement, or from the due date if the baby is early. Pay is at the statutory rate, which is often lower than a typical wage. This means that many families struggle financially if a father wants or needs to take more time off to help care for a newborn. Why is this arguably seen as an issue? Many believe that the UK's current provisions do not sufficiently support fathers or reflect the realities of modern family life. Key concerns include financial strain, limited bonding, and outdated expectations. This has fueled a growing debate about whether the UK should follow the lead of other countries that offer longer, better paid paternity leave. What changes are coming with paternity leave? Encouragingly, there are reforms on the way under the new Employment Rights Bill, which is set to modernise various aspects of UK employment law. For paternity leave, the key improvements include fathers will be allowed to split their leave into 2 separate 1-week blocks rather than taking it all at once. The timeframe for taking paternity leave will be broadened, providing more choice about when leave can be taken. Employers will benefit from clearer notice periods, making it easier to plan cover. While these are positive steps forward, many campaigners and families feel that the changes do not go far enough to match the support levels seen elsewhere in Europe. Could the UK do more for fathers? Giving fathers greater flexibility to balance work and family responsibilities is undoubtedly a move in the right direction. However, the UK still arguably trails behind many comparable nations when it comes to both the length of leave and the level of pay. For meaningful progress, some believe that further reforms could include increasing the duration of paid paternity leave beyond 2 weeks, raising statutory pay rates to reduce the financial barrier for lower and middle income families, and promoting cultural change so that employers actively encourage fathers to take full advantage of their entitlements. This would help to foster genuine equality in parental responsibility and strengthen family well-being. What should employers and employees do now? While larger reforms may take time, both employers and employees can take practical steps now. For employers, review existing paternity leave policies and ensure they comply with upcoming changes under the Employment Rights Bill. Consider whether enhanced pay or more flexible arrangements could better support staff and improve retention. For employees, understand your current rights and how forthcoming changes may benefit you. And speak with your HR team early if you're planning paternity leave to make arrangements that suit your family's needs. It is encouraging to see paternity leave becoming more modernised in the UK to better fit today's societal norms, but there is still arguably room for improvement if we want to match the standards seen in other parts of Europe. At Anthony Gold, we will continue to follow these developments closely and provide clear, practical advice to both employers and employees navigating this evolving area of law. If you'd like expert guidance on paternity leave entitlements or any other aspect of employment law, please get in touch with our expert solicitors today on 020 79404060 or email us at mail@anthonygold.co.uk.